Icon Tools, a new pickup from Harbor Freight. I went there to go check out the Hercules 12-inch sliding miter saw. I've had some people say it's a good miter saw. I checked it out. I'm not too sure about it. I don't think it's really for me. But while I was there, I grabbed some more Icon tools. And let's dive into it here because I got a low profile 90-tooth ratchet, mini screwdrivers because they do come in handy, mini screwdrivers, and then mini Torx screwdriver set. You know, so far, these are like my first real Icon tools I've bought. I was looking at their diagonal cutters, their dikes, and I looked at their needle nose and a few other tools, and I thought the grips felt kind of weird. But these, a little expensive, but you know, not priced too terribly. So bring you in for a close look. There you go. You have a little insert set. You know, these things kind of take up some room, but nice compact design. Nice, it's a T8. Nice feeling on the handle. Rubber grip with the plastic. I mean, it doesn't feel like a great, you know, anything amazing or anything like that. But overall quality, definitely not the worst I've seen. I think they'll do what I want them to do. Let's check out these mini screwdriver set here. Again, lifetime guarantee on the Icon stuff. Made in Taiwan, designed by Icon USA. So here we go. Pop the top off of that. So we got a pH 1 and a pH 0. Actually, pretty nice tips on those. No complaints. Again, the handles, you get more grip of the rubber, so I like that. Shafts are just, you know, regular, nothing special. Flatheads have a nice end to them too. Fairly nice finish on it, not gonna lie. For precision screwdrivers, these are kind of what I roll with, and I do like them. You know, I like the twist top when you're doing stuff. They work well, but you know, this is a nice set, just something I thought I would try. Now, in terms of the ratchet, I actually bought this set to change a battery on my car. Yes, I could have had them do it, but I want to buy tools. So this is a Tech Drive SAE metric 6-point lifetime warranty, but they're no longer in the stores. Quick release button on the back, and the direction is correct. It's a nice little ratchet, nice little 1/4-inch ratchet, nice kit. Comes with a nice extension with some nice knurling right there. I really like the kit. As you can see, I haven't used all the sockets from it, but I've used enough. And what we got here, if I like this, see, the nicest 3/8 ratchets I have, and you guys know this is my go-to, the Craftsman Evolve, which I like the soft grip on it, and it works, you know, just fine for around the house. But I also bought this gear wrench, probably within the last year. I cleaned it up a little bit. It's been getting used pretty good, but it has a low profile head on it. It's holding up good. I I like it. I really like the grip on the gear wrench. For someone like me, that will last a long time, but this is the best 1/4 inch I have, and I love it. It'll work well. It does have a kind of a low profile, but I like the soft grips. That's your little rag to wipe on. So here you go. You're coming in at lengthwise about 7 inches there. Again, I believe this is made in Taiwan, manufactured in Taiwan. And it's a 90-tooth ratchet. I think people had issues with the initial 3/8, or it could have been the 1/4 inch. I think it was the 3/8. It's I mean, there's really like no back drag, so has a nice head to it. Let's see a side by side. So the tech is a little thicker. It's shorter too. That's one thing I liked about this Icon. Has a nice grip. Not as nice as the gear wrench. I like the gear wrench better, but again, kind of have the same thing here. Not bad. I'm excited to test it out. Put it to some good use one day. I don't know. The more I looked at this at Harbor Freight, this Icon stuff, you know, I kind of went in there today. I got my phone screen fixed at some store up at the mall, so I went to good old Home Depot, and then I went to Harbor Freight because I've been checking out new miter saws, and nothing's caught my eye yet. I don't like the new Ryobi cordless one because it's a single bevel. The old one I had was great, but it doesn't have the HP technology, so it doesn't utilize HP batteries. It's just a 36 volter. The Hercules is, you know, they modeled it kind of after a DeWalt. There is a lot of good things I do like about it, but I didn't walk in there and I wasn't sold on it. So I'm going to keep searching and see what I land on. Talked to a few buddies, and one actually, he does a lot more work than I do in terms of remodeling and stuff and probably utilizing saws. But he said if he had the room, he would get a 12-inch and a 7 1/4. And that made me think that maybe 10-inch is just perfect for me. I did notice that the Milwaukee cordless, you could stand up 5 1/4, 5 1/2 baseboard. So that could be a front runner for me. And so far, that's the only one that really has intrigued me. But I think 10-inch might be where I'm at for my needs. But we'll see. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. This is just my little Icon tool haul. I might go buy some more stuff. Like I said, the hand tools just... These are nice. You know, I will utilize these. This will get used. You know, so far, first impressions, I like this stuff. But going through everything that they have there, me not being a mechanic, there's a lot of stuff that I just don't need. But I might get one of their breaker bars. But the Pittsburgh Pros would be just fine too. And I have breaker bars. I have a tang, whatever you want to call them tools. There you go. There you have it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.